Good morning, everyone. Just setting up the music, video. Here we go. Okay. Thanks for joining in today. I'll be leaning into my computer screen once in a while just to admit people into our group. Let's begin by getting into our mindful body, our strong, straight, comfortable posture. The more time we spend in this posture, in a self-conscious way, we become able to use it as a trigger for the benefits of practice, calm feelings, strong feelings. So take advantage of it. And just stretching and settling into the mindful body. With several deep breaths, allowing the torso to expand and the belly. As we feel pretty focused on the here and now in this perfect, imperfect vehicle that carries us on this journey, let's stretch out some of our attention, listening to the sounds within our bodies and without. Stretching this strong, relaxed awareness we have of ourselves and our environment out further, listening for sounds outside of our practice space, maybe birds, traffic, kids. Bringing our attention back to our bodies, noticing anywhere that feels uncomfortable or tense. And just pause at each place and take a big relaxed breath. Allowing the belly to relax with a big inhalation and exhalation. allowing our hands to relax in our laps. Noticing the feeling of our fingertips and palms. Are my hands warm, cool, dry, or clammy? There's no right and wrong. We're just noticing what is. Run the fingers of one hand along your other palm. See if you can notice the ridges of the lines on our palms. The calluses near your finger joints. The delicacy of our fingers. The meatiness of our thumb muscles and back of the hand. And just marveling at the miracle of all these bones and string working together so perfectly. In a complex way that's mostly invisible to us, mostly taken for granted. And so it is for the rest of this perfect, imperfect body, a million miracles working together unnoticed by us. Let's just take a few deep breaths to marvel at the wonder of that. Now paying attention to thoughts and emotions that interrupt the sense of wonder we feel, that interrupt our ability to give thanks and to count our blessings. Just noticing those thoughts and emotions. Offering them a label if it's helpful. Worrying, planning, self-doubt, impatience, let's just sit together for a few moments and notice what comes and goes, always returning to our breath. And for this practice, returning to a sense of gratitude for the miracles that keep this collection of bones and string and soul moving and hoping, forgiving, and trying again. Allowing the shoulders and face to relax. Let's call to mind a visualization. If you've ever watched a young child look at bugs with wonder, following the minute movements of ants with curiosity, let's imagine we are again that child, noticing the world around us and within us with a sense of pure awe. Untampered by life's cynicisms and sufferings. Let's take a deep breath into the visualization of what it was like to be that wondrous, simple child. How easy it feels not to worry about the future or the past. Notice how decadent and indulgent it feels to be carefree. And to close our practice, let's take several deep breaths into this ease and openness, laying an intention to return to this place later this week as a trigger anytime we bump into our regular life events that seem to mire us in worry, in challenge. Let's call to mind the memory of these carefree, easy breaths that we take together in community. Allowing this memory to give us a break from our seeming relentless need to produce and fix and finish. And with a couple final breaths, let's return our focus to center. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any intentions you'd like to set for our next practice, they are welcome. Please just email me and I will post this up to the website later if you'd like to hear it again. Thank you for making this community possible and hope to see you next week. Have a nice Sunday.